Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add text in your enhanced photos from Remini. So to do that, open your Remini application. So when you open Remini, come to photos, then select the photo that you want to enhance. First and foremost, that's the first step. So I'll come to my gallery here. Then when I come to my gallery, I'll select the photo I want to enhance. So I will enhance this photo of this kid running with something, right? So I'll select that one. Right, so I'll tap on enhance, then I wait for it to start loading, as you can see. So you need to be patient when you're enhancing at the first point. All right. All right, so as you can see, the photo has been enhanced successfully, as you can see. So when you're done enhancing your photo, you can basically come and save it. Alright, so when you want to add a text in your photo, basically you can't add any text using Remini as an application, but when you go back to your gallery and you locate this photo here that you saved at first, alright, so when you go back to your gallery, as you can see, this is the photo, okay, so you come to edit over here, come to edit, so when you come to edit, you can basically come to more. Then when you come to more, you can see you have the text option here. Okay, so you can choose a text style you want. I'll choose that one there. Then you basically come and type in your text. Okay, so after typing in your text, you can basically come and save it like that. Then you come and tick on that like that. So when you're done, you can basically save your photo and it will be saved to your gallery, as you can see. So you just need to save it and you're good to go. So that's how basically you can add text to your enhanced photos from Remini application. Thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.